Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I am Umar Qureshi from Dr. Sirajul Islam Medical College and I am in the 4th year. I am the team member of the Medimartt. Medimartt is a medical platform for the medical students. Our today's topic is the basics of the heart. So let's move towards our topic. As you all can see that this is the heart. Okay. So first of all we will discuss some basics. So basically the heart is a hollow and somewhat conical and the muscular organ. Okay. Now what is hollow? As you can see that this is a container or this is a box. Okay. So when this container is empty, so we will say that this container is a hollow. Okay. Or if we can put something in it, then we can say that the container is a hollow. Okay. So same like that, the heart consists of the blood. Okay. So we can say that heart is a hollow organ. Then the next point is it is somewhat conical in shape. So as you all can see that it is a conical organ. You can see this is the conical type of shape. Okay, just like that. Then the next point is it is a muscular organ. Yes, it is a muscular organ because it is made up of the muscles. And what type of muscle? It is made up of the cardiac muscles. Okay. Then where the heart is situated? Basically the heart is situated in the middle mediastinum. Okay. And now what is mediastinum? Mediastinum we will see like what is mediastinum in our later classes inshallah. Okay. Then what is the next point we can see over here is the covering of the heart. So basically the heart is covered by the pericardium and it protects the heart. Then as we all saw and as we all know that basically there are two main parts of the heart. Okay. So the parts of the heart are the right part and the left part. Okay. So the right part consists of the right atrium and the right ventricle, and the left part consists of the left atrium and the left ventricle. The right heart or the right part it deals with the deoxygenated blood. Okay. For the pulmonary circulation, and the left part, this left heart, it basically deals with the oxygenated blood for the systemic circulation. Okay. Now we will see there are a lot of parts present in it. Okay. So first of all, this part over here is the apex of the heart. Okay. Then this part over here, it is the base of the heart. Okay. Then there are basically three surfaces present over here. Okay, we will see the surfaces. So this is the sternocostal surface. Okay. Why sternocostal surface? Because it basically presents on the back side of the sternum and the ribs. Costal means the ribs. Okay, that's why sternocostal surface. So because it basically present on the back side of the sternum and the ribs, that's why sternocostal surface. Then there is another surface which is the left surface. Okay, so we will see where is the left surface. So this thing or this portion over here is the left surface of the heart. Okay. Then there is another surface present over here is the diaphragmatic surface. So we will see where is the diaphragmatic surface present. So here the diaphragmatic surface is present. This portion is the diaphragmatic surface. Now why it is called as the diaphragmatic surface? Because it basically rests on the diaphragm. That's why it is called as the diaphragmatic surface. Now what is diaphragm? It is another organ. We will see it in our later classes inshallah. Okay. Now basically there are three main borders present in the heart. Okay. So where these borders are present, let's see. Okay. So basically the three main borders are the right border. As this is the right part, so this will be the right border. Then there is an inferior border present. Okay. As this is the inferior part, and as this is the left part, so there will be a left border present over here. Okay. So these are the basic things present in the heart. Then some more basic things like the weight of the heart. So in adult male it is 280 to 340 grams. Okay. What is it? It is 280 to 340 grams. Okay. Then it is in the adult male. Then in adult female, what is the weight of the heart? It is around 230 to 280 grams. Okay. So basically these are the basics of the heart. We will study more about the heart in our later classes inshallah. If you love the video, then please do mention your friends and tag your friends, and please do share it with your friends because it gives us motivation to make more videos like this. And thanks a lot.